Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring the golden news for all of you. As of yesterday, 43,069 new corona cases were reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 5.36 lakhs. As of yesterday, 32.90 crore Indians got vaccinated. 5 states which still account for almost 50% of the cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. For last couple of days, number of cases in India are below 50,000, which is very good sign. Yesterday, 556 new cases were reported in Mumbai. The Supreme Court on Tuesday set a deadline of July 31 for states to implement one nation, one ration card system and for the center to create a national database of unorganized labor. The court also pulled up center for delay in setting up a national portal for registering migrant and unorganized workers, calling these unpardonable when the unorganized workers are waiting to reap the benefits of various welfare schemes announced by state and center. The careless attitude of the Ministry of Labour and Employment is unpardonable. The National Drug Regulatory on Tuesday granted emergency use authorization to US biotech firm Moderna for its COVID-19 vaccines, and its Indian partner Cipla will now import this vaccine in India. Children who have either been orphaned or lost a single parent to COVID-19 in Maharashtra will get 3 years tuition fee and a laptop or a mobile for online education. Technology giant Google India emerged as the most attractive employment brand, followed by Amazon India and Microsoft India as per one survey. The International Cricket Council, that is ICC, on Tuesday confirmed the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021 will be staged in UAE and Oman from October 17 to November 14. Finally, there is some good news in this pandemic blues for those who love traveling, as Switzerland has now announced new entry rules from June 26. Persons from the countries with a variant of concern like India who have been vaccinated or who are already recovered from COVID-19 will be allowed entry without any negative report or quarantine. The much awaited initial public offering of LIC of India is likely to hit the market in January 2022. $1 was equal to 74.23 rupees. Indian stock market continued its decline yesterday also, and BSE Sensex closed 186 points below the previous day closed and closed at 52,550 points. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.